How to turn on auto sign-in on Plex. Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Apps Academy. In this video, we are going to learn how you can easily turn on auto sign-in on Plex. If you want to use Plex and log in automatically on your device without entering your credentials every time, then you can easily enable the auto sign-in feature. To do so, first of all, launch open Plex on your device and log in. From the home page of Plex, go ahead and click on your profile icon at the top right corner, and from the expanded menu that appears on the screen, select Settings. Now under Settings, click on the Account button at the top, and under Account, you'll see Automatically Sign In button. Tap on it to toggle it on. Once you have this button toggled on, you'll be able to turn on auto sign in Plex. Now, go ahead and log out of your Plex application and try to open it again. Plex should now automatically sign in without prompting for your username and password. Auto sign-in is best used on personal devices only. Avoid enabling it on shared or public devices. So that is how you easily turn on automatic sign-in in your Plex application, making it faster to watch your movies and shows without repeated logins. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.